Hey, it's me, reacting to another alter horror short film. This one is called Locksmiths. Starts off looking into a picture, about to take a Polaroid. How did he capture her? Did he drug her? What did he do there? Ooh, the damn croquet mallet. He spent money on that, or he just already had it in the house, right?
There. You look like a gym. Yeah, that's the one.
So all we have for characters' names is this guy Jim, which is not his real name. DNA Locksmiths. What's his problem? See, we already knew they were crooks when he gave him the name tag and it wasn't his name.
5B look.
You know that dude saw them. The fact that they were stopping, they live in this neighborhood, oh yeah, he's calling the police. He's calling the cops right damn now. This is a decent house though, right? But I wouldn't imagine that they would make any real type of money. I mean, they'd have to rob so many damn people. Oh, but look at that. Take that to the Diamond District. Get a little bit of paper off that. Not very much, but you can get a little bit. I mean, because really, who's paying over, as far as, you know, just regular,
Anything
let's
good?
call them middle class people, who's paying more than $14,000 on a wedding ring?
The keys. Where are the keys? They're in the bag.
I mean, obviously, if I had paper and I had wanted a wife, I might spend a little bit of money on my fiance, you know. I might spend a lot. But that doesn't mean that they're gonna make that same amount taking it to some random person buying diamonds.
You had a little defect on
You
your
know,
door?
those rings have serial numbers on them.
DNA lockpicks.
That's a hard sell,
DNA
if
lock
you ask
picks.
me.
See, we noticed that you had a broken lock on your door and, well, you know, we had to check it out.
Yeah, we didn't want anyone else taking advantage of it.
Who else?
How did they not scare the shit out of this lady? How is she not screaming hysterically? I don't understand.
Why, thank you. You're such fine gentlemen.
She must just be so scared that she's calm
We just
about
want
it.
to
Like,
do what's right.
maybe if I'm calm, they won't hurt me.
We are in trouble.
Oh, relax, man. We got away.
No, we didn't.
Trust me, that lady was absolutely clueless. Besides, we're gonna get better at this.
Well,
First day on the job.
What do you mean you're out?
That's not a good sign.
Come on, man. You know I can't lockpick.
this was a bad idea.
No, bad idea. Starting a box.
And, you know, I've said this before. In movies, in horror movies, the main characters almost always deserve to get sliced and diced.
Let's do one more roll, okay? Just one more. I can pay you for the month. Pay the rent. We can go back to the old-fashioned locksmith. Please.
I think in real life, though, being a locksmith in the right locations, yeah, you could probably clean up.
Hey, how much?
I think these two people are looking at the wrong thing. They need to start getting into the walls and pulling copper.
Hey, how much you think this will fetch us at Jimmy's?
So Jimmy's, Jim, Jaime.
Come on, man. We got a room full of antiques and you're gonna go for a damn garbage bag? Hi. I'm very sorry. We were just testing your locks.
Oh, don't mind me. I'm just.
Think about this,
Cleaning up the house.
is even though these guys are villains,
I hear you guys got
they've been
themselves
scared twice.
We're from DNA
The first
Locksmiths.
scare
And,
was that the old lady was home. They got scared, right?
on
They're
your
nervous,
door.
they're
I mean,
scared.
So
Second
we
scare,
noticed the broken lock. and-
they don't
We
even
must
know
have the wrong address.
what they walked
Sorry
into,
for the
and
misunderstanding.
they're scared. That's good, because, you know, it makes me think that this short film, and they all are, but obscure,
what,
you
we're
know?
gonna-
It's
we're
very
gonna take the
obscure
trash out for you on our way
because
out.
they're scared of something totally different than what normal people would be scared of in a movie.
Leftovers from the party I hosted.
Let's get it.
All this wasted meat.
Yeah, that's what I'm thinking. It's time to run. Oh. And because I've been talking through this whole thing,
Man, it's tried to
you
kill my
probably
friend. Yes,
don't know that the guy that's trapped in there is the only guy out of these two who can actually break open the locks. This guy here who actually got away doesn't have the same skill. And he called the cops. So he only has a limited amount of time. And now they're really scared. He has no clue what they walked into. What would you do if you were going out robbing people and you just happen to stumble on a damn serial killer who mowed your partner down and he's trapped in the house with the serial killer, and you don't have the skills, the locksmith skills, to break open doors, breaking the tools and whatnot? That's good stuff, man. It's good.
Officers! Officers, over here! What? There's the weapon! No, this is not a weapon. I just need you to turn around! Listen, you were making a mistake, and I need to get in that. It's the same one.
See, I told you.
You're making a mistake. I need you to listen. We got you. Out. You're not going to do it.
They're not even listening to him. They're like, you're not getting back in there, buddy.
Watch your head. Watch your head.
That's the thing about these serial killers, aka sociopaths, in movies. They always get away. Ever since American Psycho, and it's probably happened in movies before that, you know, like those Alfred Hitchcock movies or Twilight Zone movies, where the twist is the villain or the serial killer is almost justified in his killings, and he gets away with all this murder and killing. And that's Locksmiths, everyone. Link in the description. Ipso facto.